This video tutorial I will explain SQL ANY operator. Here you can see the syntax of any operator. Select column names from table name, where column name and operator any and the subquery. And any operator returns true if any of the subquery values meet the condition. And any operator is used with where class or having class. We will see one example now. Here you can see the employee table. It has 6 records. And here you can see the address table. It has 6 records. Employee table and address tables are linked with employee ID. Employee ID is the foreign key in address table. And here you can see the query which uses any operator. Select employee name from employee table, where employee ID equal to any operator and the subquery. The subquery is select employee ID from address, where city equal to Bangalore. And with city Bangalore, there are 2 records are there, and corresponding employee name this query will display. And employee names which belongs to Bangalore, you can see here, Peter and Dave. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.